Hi everybody, and welcome to this tutorial on Suno AI. In today's video, I'm going to explain every detail on how you can earn money by creating songs from Suno AI. Suno AI is a platform that makes music from simple text prompts. You can use the music on YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok without any copyright issues because the music is original. You don't have to make the music yourself, just provide a prompt and the AI generates it. This tool opens up many possibilities for people who want to get into music creation without having any technical skills. It can be especially useful for content creators who need background music for their videos or podcasts. With Suno AI, anyone can create custom music tracks quickly, whether it's for personal projects or professional use. The platform also saves time and money by removing the need to hire musicians or buy expensive music licenses. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. You're not going to become a millionaire overnight. It's something you need to explore and see if it works for you. If you're interested in music, forget about perfection and just start using the tool. The more you practice, the better you'll become at creating prompts that generate high-quality music. Over time, you'll develop a sense of what works best, allowing you to refine your prompts and create more unique and engaging tracks. Whether you're making music for fun, personal projects, or even as part of a larger creative endeavor, consistency is key. The most important thing is to experiment, learn from your results, and enjoy the process of turning simple ideas into full compositions. Go to Google and search for Suno AI. The first result should be suno.com. Create an account using Apple, Google, or any method you prefer. Once you're logged in, you'll see the Create button. Click on it. The platform will ask if you want to write your own lyrics or choose a musical style. Writing lyrics is harder, but you can give it a try. If you're not comfortable writing lyrics, you can start by generating instrumental tracks. Suno AI will guide you through the process, letting you pick different genres like pop, hip-hop, or electronic music. You can also describe the mood or vibe you're looking for, such as upbeat, relaxing, or cinematic. After submitting your prompt, the AI will generate a track in a few minutes. You can listen to the result and make adjustments if you're not satisfied. The more you experiment, the better you'll understand how to craft prompts that produce the type of music you want. If you don't want to write lyrics, use the custom version. This option is simpler. You just describe what kind of music you need. For example, you can write that you're going to a party with friends and want energetic house music. Click on Create and the AI will generate 2 tracks. The process is fast, but the first results might not always be perfect. If you're serious about making money, you'll need to spend time experimenting. Try different prompts, genres, and moods to see what works best. The more you explore, the better you'll understand how small changes in your prompt can affect the final result. You can also listen to popular music tracks on platforms like YouTube or Spotify to get inspiration for your prompts. Over time, you'll learn how to create music that fits different needs, like background music for vlogs, ads, or social media content. This can help you build a portfolio and attract potential clients looking for custom music tracks. When the tracks are ready, listen to them and choose the one you like best. If you're not happy with the lyrics, focus on the beat. Many people need background music without lyrics, especially for social media videos. You can create a portfolio of instrumental tracks and offer them to content creators who need music for their projects. Start by downloading your best tracks and organizing them by genre or mood. Platforms like YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok are full of creators looking for royalty-free music to enhance their content. You can promote your portfolio on freelancing websites, social media, or dedicated music marketplaces. The key is to stay consistent and gradually improve your music by testing different prompts. As you gain experience, you'll be able to create music that fits different types of content, from travel vlogs to product reviews. This can help you build a reputation and grow your income over time. To sell the music, create an Instagram page or a YouTube Shorts channel to showcase your work. Another option is to offer your service on Fiverr as a ghost music producer. Many people are already doing this. Prices for custom songs range from $25 to $50 per track. It's not easy, and you'll need to promote yourself on social media. Use hashtags, engage with other creators, and post consistently to attract potential customers. Consider making short videos showing how your music fits different types of content, like travel videos, product promotions, or fitness reels. This can help potential buyers see the value of your work. Collaborating with small creators or offering free tracks at the start can also help you get your first reviews. The more visible and active you are online, the better your chances of turning music creation into a steady income stream. Don't waste time scrolling on social media unless you're researching how others promote their work. Instagram pages like AI Songs Music promote AI-generated tracks. You can use the same strategy. Upload short samples of your tracks and offer custom music for content creators. There are thousands of creators who need background music, and they need it fast. Build a network of creators and offer them custom music packages at affordable rates. Start by reaching out to small creators in your niche, offering free samples or discounted prices in exchange for a shout-out. Use Instagram DMs, TikTok comments, or Facebook groups to connect with potential clients. The key is to be proactive and consistent. Over time, your network will grow and satisfied clients will recommend your service to others. This method requires effort, but it can turn music creation into a reliable source of income. If someone requests a specific style, use the prompt feature on Suno AI. Type the request and click Create. The AI will generate the music in seconds. You can also use Suno AI to create background music for podcasts, vlogs, or even video games. The possibilities are endless if you're creative and willing to learn. Customizing prompts based on your client's needs can make your service stand out. For example, you can offer different packages like short loops for social media, longer tracks for YouTube videos, or ambient soundtracks for games. Don't be afraid to ask clients for feedback and make adjustments. The more you practice, the better you'll get at delivering exactly what your customers want. This flexibility will help you build a loyal client base and increase your chances of success in the growing AI music market. You can also create themed playlists and upload them to platforms like Spotify or SoundCloud. Promote these playlists on social media and build an audience. Once you have a following, you can offer custom music services or sell your tracks directly to your audience. Music can make you money, but only if you're willing to put in the effort. Explore the tool, promote your work, and keep creating. The more you practice and promote yourself, the more opportunities you'll create for yourself. Don't be afraid to experiment, collaborate, and learn along the way. Now, if you want to make serious money online, I found a side hustle that even a complete beginner can start right away. 99% of people have never even heard of it, so now is a great time to start. Click the link in the description to learn more.